Hey friends, here's the latest project. Going to try to attempt to fly that AeroQuad from that joystick. I built this recently, which is a Seeeduino board with a USB host shield on it, an Extreme Pro 3D joystick with the twist grip. That sends PPM signals into OpenLRS transmitter. Powering it with an 8,000 mil 2S battery, which is a bit of an overkill, but I happen to have it, so I'm using it. Okay, let me get things set up and turned on, and I'll get back with you in just a minute. Okay, here we go. I think she's all set. Maiden flight with the joystick. And of course the breeze is picking up. Here we go. Now that was a little odd, but we'll try it again. I think I'm going to have to do a dual rate kind of setup. I think I got too much sensitivity. There we go. That's going to take a little getting used to, but that is very cool. All right.
Got her, huh?